How to remove Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do firstly is open up the Steam mobile application. And if you can't find it, all you want to go ahead and do is swipe down on the bottom and then just type in Steam like so. Then go ahead and open up the application. If you've been signed out, just quickly log in again. Now, once you've logged in, you're going to see a lot of different things. On the bottom, you're going to see the Steam Guard icon, which is in the middle. If I press this settings little option right here, I'm going to see an option for remove authenticator. So all I want to do is confirm your choice on the next screen, and Steam is going to revert your account to send login codes to your email address instead. So if I press remove authenticator, it's going to ask me if I want to remove it for sure. And then all I'm going to do is press the remove authenticator option at the very bottom, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. It's as simple as that. But you just bear in mind you are going to have less security on your account. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.